Hey, welcome guys. Today was an awesome day. I made $68 in profit, but I managed to regain two of my accounts which I lost last week. And I did what maybe I shouldn't do, but I really wanted to connect at least 3 accounts in the live streams. So what I did, I just bought 2 Bulenox accounts, actually 3, but I blown one. So I still managed to make some extra profits. So let me show you. Let me start with this. The My Funded Futures account is up to $238. I mean $2,238. So that's $68 in profit. I'm super happy because I was in a loss a little bit because I was scalping. Anyway, long story short, the 2 new Bulenox accounts, one is this, managed to make 2,664 on this one today, and the other one I made $2,335. Now these accounts are going to be copy traded, so we're getting back on track slowly. I'm super happy about that. I'm gonna attach some new Apex accounts too. London session was pretty much ranging, so it was a bit of a, well, look at this. Everything was ranging in London, and then finally took out the 15-minute fair value gap up there. And then after closing the stream, we had this beautiful short here that was put to break even after the London stream, before, actually just at the beginning of the New York kill zone. It went down and took out the lows here, Asia lows and everything. So this was beautiful. I like that. And after that, this was a trade which I entered live stream just before the market open on the Bulenox account, and this was also beautiful. But we had some decent price action. My bias was actually long after market open. As you can see, we tanked a little bit down there. So I was thinking that price should be coming back up there to the 18,200s, which fortunately it did. So I entered a few more scalps here and there. Anyway, the thing is that the Bulenox accounts did very good today. So I could have just written out like I made $5,000, but who cares? The thing is that from tomorrow, I'm going to continue with 3 accounts that I'm going to copy trade. And hopefully we're getting back those 6 accounts overall. I'm very proud for the My Funded Futures account. I'm going to be doing a recap, I think, sometime during the week. And yeah. By the way, grab your discounts with My Funded Futures. My code has been upgraded. You can get a 30% discount if you click on my link and use my code. You can get a 30% discount from the starter and also from the activation fee, and also from the reset fee if you need it. So my code is good for multiple things. So thank you so much for My Funded Futures. And to My Funded Futures, what I wanted to say. Oh yeah. So tomorrow I'll be doing the same thing with a few Apex accounts, hopefully. Because it's cheap upfront cost. So that's it. Awesome day, and I'm very thankful for you guys being here with me on the stream. Okay, see you guys tomorrow in London.